Okay, so I opened my Jupyter notebook as well. So this is the one we have used to find the correct song for the right event. So if you want to find a good song to sing in an event, so it's a better environment to find using Python as well. So it's very easy and you can find very easy good songs as well. So we have used the data wrangling as well in this Python. So for this project, so we have a look. So this is the data file we have used to get the all the details as well, and everything is used from is taken from the Wikipedia and Google as well. So we have used some different kind of song data from the Wikipedia and the Google and those kind of charts as well, and so we have used some data sources from different kind of artist and Billboard chart as well. So so you can see the data sources are coming from these URLs, Billboard Hot 100 as well, those songs. So you can see some kind of artist. So we are generating the charts and the tables according to the artist as well and the titles. So so we have taken some kind of different kind of fields, artist and titles for the analyzing the songs as well, and the genre. Especially the genre is very important to which song this goes to which category. So we are using different kind of songs, R&B and hip hop, classical songs as well. So you need to know about those kind of categories and genre before you have to do some research actually before find the correct songs as well. So it is very important data wrangling as well. So clean up these rows and columns. So those have null values. So you have to clean up those data frames and columns and reduce the numbers. So it will help to doesn't have the rows and the columns. So you have to remove the those null values by reducing the rows as well. Today I'm not going to explain how to find this, how to build this software from Python because it takes time because we have taken some necessary time frames to build these applications, and now I'm just to give a small brief introduction and some guidance how we did this project and just have a quick analysis and have a quick look. Yeah, right.